Friends, today discuss about brinjal. The classification of brinjal. The botanical name of brinjal Solanum melogenea. Family Solanaceae. Chromosome number 24. Origin place India. Some important points of brinjal. Brinjal is also known as eggplant. Brinjal has Ayurvedic medical properties. It is useful for medical properties. White brinjal is good for diabetic patient. Brinjal is a good source of vitamin like A, B, C. Green leaves in brinjal are excellent source of vitamin C. The bitter taste of brinjal is due to glycoalkaloids. Discolor in brinjal fruit is attributed to high polyphenol oxidase activities. These are some important points. Now varieties. See, in varieties there are three types of varieties: long varieties, round varieties, and oval varieties. Long varieties are two types: Pusa purple long, Pusa hybrid 5, and round varieties Pusa purple round BR 112 and Pusa hybrid 6. Oval varieties Pusa Bindu and BH1. Now climate. The brinjal is a warm season crop. The temperature should be 30 to 21 degrees is most favorable for optimum growth and yield. The brinjal seed germinate well at 25 degrees. The brinjal seed germinate at 25 degrees. So that the temperature should be need for that brinjal is 25 degrees and favorable growth is 21 degrees. The soil and field preparation. The brinjal can be grown in all types of soil varying from light sand to heavy clay soils also. Soil should be have the pH 5.5 to 6.5. The soil should be deep, fertile, well drained. When you are growing the plants in the soil, you should be know the pH of the soil is very important to that one. The brinjal is very hard crop and can be grown even in adverse condition like in soil having the pH. So the soil should be thoroughly prepared by fluffing to 4 to 5 before transplanting the seedling. See, in this the fourth point, like in soil having the pH. pH should be is more important. Now manures and fertilizers. Manures and fertilizers. FIM 200 to 250 quintal per hectare should be incorporated at the time of field preparation. The crop should be supplemented with 100 to 120 kilogram nitrogen, 50 to 60 each phosphorus and potash. We know we already saw that, some information in tomato that nitrogen half dose is nitrogen added before the planting, and after the half dose is nitrogen added after planting. Seed rate. Pure line varieties 500 to 700 gram per hectare. Hybrid varieties 200 gram per hectare. Now sowing time and transplanting. The time of sowing of seed, transplanting of seed varieties varies according to the agroclimatic region. In North India, they are generally two sowing season: June to July for an autumn crop and November for the spring crop. In South India, the brinjal can be grown around the year. The main sowing be done during the July to August. Transplanting. The seeds are ready in 4 to 5 weeks for transplanting when they have attained a height 12 to 15 centimeter with a 3 to 4 leaves. In generally, the spacing should be needed for each plant to plant and row to row. Irrigation and weed control. Irrigation that plant should be needed at that time. Timely irrigate is quite essential for growth, flowering and fruit setting and development of fruits. Irrigation is given before top dressing of urea if there is no rain. Weed control. Pro-planting soil incorporator used for flow chlorine after pre-planting, surface spraying of alkali. Harvesting and yield. Brinjal fruits are harvested when they attain full size and color, but they start of ripening. Yield is depend upon the season to season, variety, location to location. But generally, we can get 250 to 500 quintal per hectare. Now, insects and pests. Insects and pests. Some are some small, some importance. There are three more important insects and pests and diseases. Aphids. Control. Spraying the crop with malothin 0.1%. Dumping off. Control. Treat the seed with Captain at the rate of 3 gram per kilograms. Little leaf. Control. Spraying the crop with dimethoate 0.05. Little. Please friends, subscribe this channel if you like. Please subscribe and comment, like.